Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to search anywhere on Skyscanner. I'll show you how to do so on both the app and the website. All right, first up for the website, just go ahead over to skyscanner.com. Now, once you're in here, you can just go ahead and make sure that you remove to, okay, and to select explore everywhere, okay? Once that's done, just hit on search. And here you have the suggested places, okay? Now you can go ahead and filter this out with the cheapest ones, like so. As you can see, Philippines, $25 right here, Singapore, $47, and more, okay? Now for phone, it's quite easy. Just go ahead and go to flights. All right, for example, you're coming from New York, and then make sure that you leave this one to everywhere, okay? Once that's done, go ahead and hit on find, wait for the results right here, and make sure to tick out the cheapest flights if you want to. You have direct flights here as well, and the suggested flights. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.